Alright, we are at 1380 80th Street South, and I've got the camera in the closet flange, so basically down where the toilet was set. And we're just checking to see if there's any big pieces of the floor leveler left. Everything looks really good. We knocked quite a few of the big chunks off, and we pulled those guys all the way out. Now I'm in the black ABS line under the house, which is just beautiful. 45-degree fitting, and we still have the jetter in there. So we'll pull that guy back out. Go ahead and pull her on and off, buddy. Yep. So you can see we got our jetter in the line, and it's just cleaning out any remaining debris. We've already scrubbed the pipe several times to make sure we got everything clear and everything out of it. Just make sure you don't put any tampons down the line, no really thick toilet paper, no flushable wipes, no kind of rags of any type. See, now we're in the cast iron. We've even got the cast iron a lot cleaner as well. So cast iron by nature is going to be a little bumpy. That's normal for the age of the pipe, and that's why you can't put any kind of tampons or anything in there, because it'll get hung up on the edges of the pipe. So I'm going to leave the video recording. I'm going to pull back, and then we're going to go and video the main line, which we were able to clean as well. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video now. We'll go look at it from the other side. Alright, so we're in the hole in the front yard where we cut a section of pipe out, or Dave had his guys cut a section of pipe out. So this is what we were just looking at from the back side. So we actually hit it with the warthog head a little bit just to try to smooth it, out as much as we could. Definitely looks a lot better. So now what I want to do is go and check the tap and see how this guy looks. So the biggest thing we found in here were a bunch of tampons and some almost looked like some kind of a paper towel or a rag. Once I get to the tap, we're going to do a flush and kind of see how the line's taking the water, and then we'll get a clearer video when we're on the way back out. Alright, so this is at the clay at the tap, so I'm going to do a flush real quick, and then we'll take a look at it all the way back. Alright, so the flush is done. You can see the water running there through the tap, really nice. And the cast iron itself is in pretty decent shape. I don't see any cracks or breaks or roots or anything growing into it. By nature, like I said earlier, it's going to be a little bumpy. That's just the nature of cast iron, being that it's this old. But if you see a roundness to the pipe, as you can see on your pipe, it looks really good. Whenever you can see round on cast, yeah, you're good. That looks really good right there. Beautiful. Alright, so we are back out at the hole again where the cleanout's going to be cut in. And there's a big monster pile of cast iron scale down in there that we removed from the line. Everything looks good.